This beautiful waterfront home features abundant natural light provided by picture windows, which artificially frame the stunning ocean vistas. The kitchen features a central island and adjacent eating area. The formal dining room opens to a generous living room with a lovely fireplace. The sunroom is flooded with light and enriched with ocean views. 2 bedrooms complete the main floor. The upper level hosts the master retreat, complete with walk-in closet, 4-piece ensuite and private balcony. The lower level is ready to be transformed to fit your needs. Outside, mature trees, manicured gardens and direct beach access. Set in North Saanich, a vibrant community that affords progressive amenities. The airport and ferries are nearby, and the inner harbour is a short commute.